Hey guys, welcome to the release video of the community patch Filter Tool version 2.0. Like the previous version, this tool allows you to manage your mods and the community patch, only having those parts active which you like. Version 2.0 makes life easier for both normal users and those who are interested in making mods. Like in version 1.0, a download link will be in the video description, and to install it you just put these two files into your binaries folder. For the basic features of the tool, see the video on version 1.0. I'll mainly be going over the changes of version 2.0 in this video. And let's start with a big one. Like usual, you're greeted by a welcome message upon first opening the tool. However, the tool now also offers you to automatically hexedit your Borderlands 2.exe, your Borderlands the pre-sequel.exe, and to enable console for both of these games. If you accept its offer, it will start hex editing, which takes about 10 seconds or so, and both games will be ready for use with the community patch. After this is done, it will start up as normally. If this is not the first time running the tool, these options will be available in the Startup Tools menu, which opens the same dialog. The next big feature in version 2.0 is so-called profiles. It basically allows you to save multiple sets of selected stuff at the same time. So, for instance, in this profile I only want to have the first 5 parts of the community patch active. However, in this profile I want to have the next 5 parts active. I can switch back and forth between these as I want, and only the profile I have selected upon saving the patch will be the parts that affect my game. Next, in version 2.0 is proper support for Borderlands the pre-sequel, as well as support for offline mode patches. Basically, if you want to have your patch working in offline mode, you select offline here in the bottom of the screen, and if you want your patch to be for Borderlands the pre-sequel, you select Borderlands the pre-sequel. Whichever you have selected here upon saving the patch will be the format used to save the patch. It should be noted that saving a mod in the pre-sequel format while it is meant for Borderlands 2 will generate a warning and will generally just not work. The next two features are mainly for people who are interested in making mods, as they involve enabling the edit functions of the tool. The first is making a category mutually exclusive, which basically means you can only select one of the things inside this category. This could be useful, for instance, if you have multiple changes to a single gun, or have some other mod which is delivered in parts. If you try to select multiple things in a mutually exclusive category, it will throw an error and will proceed as usual. This can be turned off so you can select multiple things afterwards if it is desired. And finally there is a feature called code formatting, and it basically means if you want to if you want to change a big line of code, which usually just throws a huge wall of text at you, it no longer does this, and it formats it in a nice, readable way that makes it easy to see what's going on and which parts you can modify. When you make a modification, it will simply collapse back onto a single line as usual, so the Borderlands engine can still understand it. These are the main new features in version 2.0. Thanks for watching and have fun with the tool. See ya!